In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer a site. On WordPress.com, transferring a site means handing ownership to a different WordPress.com account. Useful when giving a site to a client, collaborator, or friend. Before transferring a site, you will need the email address associated with the recipient's WordPress.com account. If they don't already have a WordPress.com account, they can create one during the process. From your dashboard, click the WordPress logo top left to open My Sites. Select the site you want to transfer. Click Settings in the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Danger Zone section. And when you are ready, click Transfer. Confirm the new owner's email address and click Continue. You will then see a summary of what will be transferred. Toggle each statement to confirm you understand, and then click Start Transfer. This will be followed by a message to check your inbox, because after starting the transfer, you will receive an email to authorize it. Once the transfer has been authorized, the new owner will receive a confirmation email. If they don't already have a WordPress.com account, they will have the option to create one and accept the transfer. And once accepted, the site becomes fully owned by the new account. Any associated domains and active upgrades like the plan move with the site. You may remain listed as an administrator unless the new owner chooses to remove you. The new owner will need to update their billing details, and you will also receive an email to verify your contact information for the domain registration. If everything is correct, no further action is required on your part. Please also note, transfers can't be undone automatically, so it's important to double-check the recipient's details before confirming. It's also a good idea to let the new owner know to check their inbox, including spam or junk folders, so the transfer isn't delayed. Also, transfer links expire after 7 days. Site transfers are designed to be secure and reliable. Once both confirmations are complete, the site is successfully transferred and ready for its next chapter.